let's get started with Super Kids. We're ready for Cass. And before we get started with Cass, we're going to do a couple other activities that have to do with the letter C. And so I'm going to say a word, and then we're going to put the letter C in front of it. So let's start. At. Now let's put the K sound in front of that. K, at, cat. It makes a whole new word. Let's try that again. Old, K, old, cold. Please try to say these with me. Next time, art, K, art, cart. Up, K, up, cup. And, K, and, can. And last one, all, K, all, call. Wow, we learned that you can add the letter C onto the beginning of some words, and then it makes a whole new word. So cool. You still need your letter C, and I am going to say a word, and if it starts with C, then I want you to hold up your letter C. And I'll pause after I say the word so that you have time to either put your C up or leave your C down. Okay? And if you don't get it, it's okay. You're still learning. So, first word, cane. Do you hear the K sound at the beginning of cane? Yes, you do. You should be holding up your letter C. Next word, cord. Did you hear that K sound like Cass? You should have your C up. Next word, pear. Does pear start like Cass or cat or coconut? No, it does not. Your C should not be up, should it? Next word is care. Oh, did you hear the K sound at the beginning? Yes. We're ready for the next one. Curb. Curb. Did you hear that K sound? Your C should be up. Next word, sock. Sock. Nope, sock starts with a sound. We're ready for the next word, moon. Moon. Nope, not moon either. How about cover? Cover. Yes, you heard that K sound at the beginning of cover. And the last one is basket. Basket. Nope, not at the beginning of that either. You can put your letter C card back in the bag with the other letters, and you want to zip it shut and keep it because you'll need it again later in other Super Kid lessons. Okay, we are ready to get started with our book. I'm going to put this away and get out my Super Kids book. Do you have your Super Kids book out? You want to find page 8. It should look like this. Yours will not have this part on it if you were here on Monday. So this part will be cut off if you did it on Monday. I save my book from year to year so that then I'm just right here. And today we get to talk about pairs of things. Some things come together. Like when you come to school, you have your socks on first and then your shoes, right? And maybe you have your backpack and your germs soap in there, your hand sanitizer, or things like that go together. And there are some things in a kitchen that go together too. And so let's look at these pictures and see what goes together. So this is a cup. You're right, that's a cup. And this is a plate. So a cup and a plate, they kind of go together, don't they? Because you use them when you're going to eat. So which one starts with the letter C though? Which one has that K sound at the beginning? Does cup, K, cup, or plate? Did you say cup? You are right. I want you to take your pencil and go all the way around there with the circle. So you want to go outside the circle or outside of the cup and make your circle go all the way around. And then you're done with that one. You'll still need your pencil because we're going to do the rest of them too. Oh, both of these are what we've been learning about in science, aren't they? So these are carrots and these are peas. And they're both vegetables. We were learning about that in science, weren't we? And they are both very healthy and delicious, but only one of them starts with the letter C. So does carrots start with the C with the k sound like Cass? Or does peas start with the k sound? P, peas. What do you think? Point to the one you think is right. Are you pointing to the carrots? I think so. So now what you want to do is take your pencil and go all the way around the outside of the carrots and circle those carrots because carrots start with the letter C. Now we are down here. Ooh, this picture has something in it. It is milk. Ooh, milk. And it goes with what's in this jar. Do you see those? Those are cookies. Milk and cookies. Yes, those go together so well, don't they? Oh, so which one starts with the letter C, though? Let's figure it out. Milk. Cookies. Which one has that k sound at the beginning? Can you point to it with your finger, please? Are you pointing at the cookies? They look delicious, don't they? You can take your pencil now and draw a circle all the way around the cookies. Let's see if you can do the last one also. We are down here, and this looks like it's tomato juice. And this time it comes in a can. And this one looks like it's in a bottle. So, what do you think? Can, does that start with C? Or does bottle start with C? Can, bottle. I want you to just circle the one that you think is right. Which one starts with the k sound? If you're done circling, I am hoping you circled the can because then you are right. We have something new to do over on this page. You will need some crayons for this. You need a yellow crayon, a blue crayon, a red crayon, and a green crayon. So if you can find all four of those crayons, and then we're going to do what we call a listening CD. But actually it's going to be on my computer this time. So while this computer is taking a video, you're going to be hearing my other computer back here. And they're going to tell a story about Cass, and they're going to have you do something at the end. So you get to listen to the whole story first, and then they'll tell you what to do after you're done. But you need those crayons. You need red, blue, green, and yellow. You can pause the video if you need more time to get them, and then start again, and I am going to start the story for Cass.
Meet the Superkids. Student Book, Unit 1, page 9. Listen carefully and follow my directions. When you hear this sound, your teacher will pause this recording so you have time to mark your answer. Cass is going to make a dessert. Look at the picture of Cass and coconut at the refrigerator.
Point to that picture.
Hi kids, it's me, Cass. That's my cat, Coconut. I'm going to cook a delicious treat for dessert today, and I want its name to begin with like my name, Cass. Let's see. What kind of dessert would you like, Coconut? Maybe some cranberry cupcakes? Oh, you don't like cranberry cupcakes. Well, how about some candy canes? No, huh? Too sweet? Okay, forget the candy canes. Would you like some creamy custard? No again? Still too sweet? You're a pretty fussy cat, Coconut. Let's see. What other desserts begin with k, like my name? I've got it! Carrot cookies. Okay, let's get started. First, I need to get the eggs, milk, and butter. They're in the refrigerator. Oops. Uh-oh, Coconut. I dropped an egg. I shouldn't waste this egg.
Now look at the picture of Cass mixing something in an orange bowl.
Now back to work. I'll mix the butter with the sugar. Now I'll add the eggs. Now I'll mush it all together with the egg beater. I'll shake in a little flour and pour in some milk. Put in the creamy mashed carrots and mix it all together.
Now look at the picture of Cass washing dishes at the sink.
There. Now put the cookies on the cookie pan and put the pan in the oven. Oh, I just can't wait for them to be ready. Uh-oh, look at this kitchen, Coconut. It's a catastrophe, a real mess. Messy Cass has done it again. There's that egg I dropped, there's some milk I spilled, and there's sticky cookie goo on the table, and all these bowls and spoons and pans. I better clean it up right now. I'll wash the dishes while the cookies bake.
Now look at the picture of Cass tasting a cookie.
Our cookies are done. Time to take them out of the oven. Don't they smell delicious, Coconut? They look fantastic. These cookies are yummy. I've always said, Coconut, Cass's carrot cookies are so fantastic they can't be beat.
Let's see if you remember the different sounds in Cass's kitchen. Point to the picture of Cass making this sound. You should be pointing to Cass using the egg beater. Pick up your red crayon and color her cooking cap red.
You can pause the video right now.
Now point to the picture of Cass making this sound. You should be pointing to Cass washing dishes. Pick up your blue crayon and color her cooking cap blue.
Pause the video so your child can
Now
color
point
this.
to the picture of Cass making this sound. You should be pointing to Cass dropping the egg in front of the refrigerator. Pick up your green crayon and color her cooking cap green.
Pause the video.
Now point to the picture of Cass saying this.
These cookies are yummy.
You should be pointing to Cass tasting a cookie. Pick up your yellow crayon and color her cooking cap yellow.
Wow, those cookies were fantastic.
Let's check your answers. In the picture of Cass dropping an egg, her cap should be green. In the picture of Cass using the egg beater, her cap should be red. In the picture of Cass washing dishes, her cap should be blue. In the picture of Cass tasting a cookie, her cap should be yellow.
That is the end of the Super Kid pages for today. But I also want to tell you what to do for handwriting really quick. Okay, so your child should have some handwriting papers that looks like this, but it will have their name on it on each one of these first 4 lines. And that is where your child should trace their name and write their name. They might have done this on Monday. A few people did this on Monday and did the first 2 rows. If your child did the first 2 rows on Monday, you can go on to the second 2 rows. If your child did not do the first 2 rows on Monday, then you'll want to do all 4 rows today, but you can take a break anytime in between and, do it once or twice and then try again. And you want to encourage your child to make the letters like I did on there so that they can trace it, go right on top of my letters, and then try to make it the same size on these lines next to it. And that's the end for today.